Are you tired of feeling unsure about using prepositions correctly in your business English? Look no further. In this episode, we'll share the top tips and tricks for mastering prepositions in the workplace. Get ready to impress your colleagues and clients with your precise language skills. Prepositions in business English, how to use them correctly. Greetings, colleagues. I'm Timothy, and this is the 4 Business English Rundown, the show for professionals from all over the world who want to improve their communication skills in English. In today's video, we're going to focus on a topic that can be tricky for non-native English speakers, prepositions. Specifically, we'll be looking at some of the most common prepositions used in business contexts, such as at, on, in, and to, and providing examples of correct usage. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use prepositions in your business communications. At. So let's start with at. At is used to refer to a specific location or point in time. For example, you might say, "I'll meet you at the office," or "Let's schedule a meeting at 3 p.m." Another common use of at is in expressions of price, such as "This product is available at a discounted price." Next, let's look at on. On is used to refer to a surface or a day or date. For example, you might say, "The report is on my desk," or "The meeting is on Friday." Another common use of on is in expressions of time, such as "We'll discuss this topic on the next call." Moving on to in. In is used to refer to an enclosed space or a period of time. For example, you might say, "The files are in the cabinet," or "We'll finalize the project in a week." Another common use of in is in expressions of quantity, such as "We have a lot of work to do in a short amount of time." Finally, let's discuss to. To is used to indicate a destination or a recipient. For example, you might say, "I'm heading to the conference," or "I'm sending this email to my manager." Another common use of to is in expressions of purpose. "I'm calling to discuss the proposal." Exercise. Now let's do a quick exercise to reinforce what we've learned. I'm going to give you a sentence, and you'll need to choose the correct preposition to fill in the blank. Ready? Here's the sentence. The conference is blank Friday. Is it in, on, or at? Ready? The correct answer is on. All right, next one. I will meet you blank the conference room. At, in, on, or to? Ready? The correct answer is at. All right, next sentence. I am going blank the meeting. In, to, on, or at? Ready? At. So now that you've learned about prepositions in business English, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Head over to a website and take our preposition quiz. This quiz features 15 multiple choice questions to help you practice what you've learned in this video. Each question comes with 4 possible answers, so choose wisely. Don't worry if you get a few wrong. The quiz is designed to help you learn and improve. Plus, at the end of the quiz, you'll receive a personalized score. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and start the quiz now. Conquer that like button and make it ours. Watch this next video and remember, work hard today and enjoy tomorrow.